Hey, what is that? AEAF lock. I don't know what that is on my phone. It's that. I wonder what that means. I hit it and it left. I don't know. Hey, y'all. So look, this video is about do-it-yourself credit, right? Listen up. I encourage you, if you're someone looking to fix your credit, if you're scoring at 750 or plus, you know, and that's your mission, at least a 750 or more, and you in the 5s or the 4s or even the 6s, listen, do it yourself. Do it yourself. It's very easy. It's all about the law, right? The law. Let me tell y'all something. I did mine myself. I was doing it. And no, it may not be overnight, but it was happening. I got up to a 683. I was scoring, but I got desperate. Listen, you get desperate, you do desperate things. It's like it's taking too long. So I'm on Facebook and I saw somebody I know advertising about 7-day credit repair. You can have this shit done in 7 days. I was like, I need to do that. Even though I know I'm sitting up here working on it, I want to get mine done now because I need a vehicle. That was my goal, getting a vehicle, right? I need a vehicle. I have one, but I need another one. You know, I wanted a new car. I got a used car paid for. I need something else. So I was like, okay, let me pay them. Do you not pay them people? And they didn't do it in 7 days. And I was sick. I was so sick, right? So I had spent like $200 to start, but it actually cost more than that. And I had to put a payment plan. But then my job went away. So now I had no income coming in, so I can't pay them. Only thing I'm doing is trying to get my business going online. The income, the consistent, steady stop. So I couldn't pay them. Okay? Now it's on my credit report. Now my credit report down to 5, and I was almost at a 7. So listen up. Don't put your credit in nobody else's hands. Put it in your own hands. Come on. Come on. Come on, I ain't see them. Hello. Do that. Put it in your own. Come here, Rainy. Hello. This way. In your own hands. Listen. Because ain't no 7-day fixed credit. Ain't no such thing. Okay? They be saying, you fix your credit in 14 days, 7 days. Do it yourself. Be patient and be consistent. And because I've done my credit before. I got everything by law taken off by law. Okay? It's legal law that you use to do your credit, because it's always inaccuracies. They be messing up your credit, and you know. So I actually had everything. Now this pops up, and now I gotta deal with this. So I encourage you guys, learn how to do your own credit. If you need some help, come on. You need some help. I attached some links. I have a book with the letters already done for you in it, an ebook. I have a AI site that do the credit for you. Okay, I've done my research, so I know what I'm going to use this time around. I'm working back on it to get it back up. Oh my God, I can't get this thing. Hold on, y'all. How do I get this off? So I don't like this thing. Oh my God, I don't like this one. Too difficult. Pull in and out. All right, y'all. Let me see y'all later. I'll see y'all in the next video. But listen, attached will be the links to this the cheap one, y'all. I mean, this thing is gonna be attached to this video at the bottom. Start working on that credit. Get it up to 750 plus, y'all. And remember, the time is now to start your YouTube page. The time is now to start sharing your knowledge. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sharing this knowledge about this credit. So get to work. Get that 750. 2025. Let's go.